is Patty's Southern Kitchen, and I am getting ready to prepare my 15-pound turkey for baking. Okay, these are the tools that I am going to use. Kitchen scissors, and I'm going to cut this net off here. Just like this. I will be baking this turkey on 325 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a 15-pound turkey, and I will be baking it for about 4.5 hours. The first 30 or 40 minutes, I'm going to put it on its breast and bake it up like that, and then I'll turn it over and straighten it up. But I'm going to cut this. Just wrapping off here and just show you the process here. Okay, now this little red thermometer here, once that pops up, that will mean that the turkey is done. But I have a thermometer here. This is another tool that you will need, and I will stick it in the breast here and make sure that it's about 170 degrees, and then I will test the thighs, and they should be about 180 degrees. But this is a meat thermometer for testing. This is a Cajun injector to inject the turkey with the butter that I'm going to use, and I will inject in the breast and in the thighs. And the way I will make my sauce to put inside the turkey to inject, I'll use a stick of butter, and I'll melt that, and I'll put some seasonings, and these are the seasonings over here that I will use: the onion powder, paprika, thyme, garlic powder, and Chef Paul Prudhomme's poultry seasoning, and Creole seasoning, and I'll use some broth. Then I will strain, once I mix all of that with the butter and the broth, I will strain these ingredients so that I won't get that clogged in the Cajun injector. And this is the roasting pan here that I will use to bake the turkey in. I'm sorry, and I'll come right back and show you what is going on in Patty's Southern Kitchen. In this pot, this is the turkey neck, and I don't use the liver, gizzard, or the heart. I discard that because I just don't use it. But if you want to use that, feel free. If you use it, you can put it in the pot with your turkey neck to boil to make your stock. Now, I've added sage along with these other ingredients that I've told you about, and this is another poultry seasoning that I added. I use the chicken stock and the chicken broth, and I will go on and start getting the turkey ready, and I'll come right back. Hi, this is Patty back to show you this finished turkey. I have it in the breast, and it is 177.3, and the little thermometer has popped up there, and here's that finished product of that turkey. Yes, I'll probably let it get browned a little more on the side here, but it is really reading 177.4 in the breast area. So that's above the 170. And we will come back soon, but this is the finished product of the turkey. And thanks for watching. Thanks for your subscriptions, and we will see you soon. We will be making the dressing tomorrow. This is Thanksgiving Eve 2020.